2000 Honda Accord. We have performed a cylinder lock replacement, but we couldn't get the keys to program. So we decided to go back with our old and OEM factory cylinder lock. I went to a locksmith's place, and what they told me is that my lock is good, that the key, my original key, is worn out. So what they suggested is to get the code of the original key for the original tooth, I would say, of the key, and they will cut it as it was brand new. So that's what they did. They went and performed, and I asked them for 2 keys, so they cut 2 keys. That's how they come from factory. There's no worn out teeth on the key. So now my cylinder lock is working perfect. So in order for my 2 brand new keys made to the original ones, in order for them to work, I have to cut out the transmitter. In other words, the chip that's inside the key. And what I'm gonna do, this is the chip. I have already removed it from the key, and this one has like a little bulb inside, and this one is going to be facing out towards the key, like that. So I'm going to try put that in. I'm going to hold it with another hand, and I'm going to start it for you guys and show you that it actually works. It's going to be a little bit hard for me to do. I'm going to place it in there, and then I'm going to start one of the new keys. See, my light has already disappeared, my green key light. I'm going to start now. And it starts. It's 1000 RPMs right there. So it's working. So now we have 2 keys that work on the ignition and also at the door lock. So that's awesome. See the light right there? Right here.